What's the meaning of construe? Construe. Construe.
Construe. Construe. The word construe refers to the interpretation or explanation of a word, phrase, or sentence in a particular way. It involves understanding the intended meaning of a statement by analyzing its context and nuances. The result of construing can vary depending on factors such as cultural background, personal beliefs, and language proficiency. It is essential in communication to ensure that messages are understood accurately and effectively. Therefore, proper construal is critical for clarity and precision when expressing ideas and thoughts.